name is Paul Rack, and I'm the lead designer and owner of VeriForm since 1997. To the best of my knowledge, we're the only manufacturer of a 100% mechanical system in the world. When I say our table is 100% mechanical, what I'm meaning is that no matter where you go on the table, there is no electrical motors or gears or hydraulics or pneumatics, none of those things that can fail. Those are the times when the owner is making no money and the customer is not getting their parts. Any business owner will say that the only time they're making money is when they're actually doing a value-added step like cutting. Our tables don't fail. We zone our tables at 24-inch intervals. And so that means that we're only pulling smoke at a 2-foot zone by the length of the width of the table. For about 10, 15, 20% of the time, we might have 2 zones open. But by having only 1 or 2 zones open and not having the whole table open, we can get a dust collector that's about 66 to 75% smaller than the standard cutting tables. The smaller the zones that we can use in our system, the smaller the dust collector and overall maintenance costs go drastically down. Most companies that build downdraft tables insist that you cover half the table, at least a minimum, with either welding tarps or other pieces of steel in order to have suction that will pull the smoke down. Our table doesn't require anything to be placed on it. Our system is quite well engineered in the sense that no matter where I'm cutting across the 10 feet, I'm pulling down the same amount of force into the table. So we've done tests where we've taken a smoke generating system and we've had it actually placed 2 feet above the cutting table, and it's actually pulled the smoke down those 2 feet. And so our table, because it does such a great job, it's about 99% efficient at pulling dust down. That particulate doesn't enter the employee's lungs, and it doesn't enter the electronics of the facility where they're working. Our table is probably the #1 table in the world for actually extracting that smoke and not letting it go into the atmosphere. As a business owner, you want uptime, green light time, and this table really gives the highest green light time of any system in the world.